Hello everyone, my name is Yuda. I'm from the Computer Engineering Department. Okay, today we will learn how to build a computer from zero and learn about the component of a computer. 1. The computer input unit. The computer input unit example of keyboard, mouse, webcam, microphone. 2. The computer processing unit. The computer processing unit consists of the CMOS battery, processor, RAM, hard disk, VGA, cooling fan, and motherboard. CMOS battery. The CMOS battery serves to power the CMOS chip so that important system settings are not lost when the computer is turned off or unplugged. DVD room. The DVD room serves to read disks containing digital data. Fan. The fan serves to maintenance a stable computer component temperature by circulating air. VGA. The VGA serves to as graphic card responsible for visual display. Hard disk. The hard disk serves to permanent storage digital data from the operating system application to personal file. RAM. RAM serves to as a temporary storage for data being processed by the CPU. Processor. The processor serves to execute instructions from software and coordinate the activity of all other hardware components. Power supply. The power supply serves to convert the electrical current from the wall outlet or AC into a current usable by computer component or DC. Install the CMOS battery in each circular slot on the motherboard. Install the processor in each rectangular slot. Open the lock and place it inside the processor shield. Press the lock to secure it. Ensure the pin align with the processor. Next, install the RAM. Ensure the pin align with the mounting pin. Install the fan for prevent overheat. After all the components on the motherboard are installed, let's install the power supply. Ensure it's aligned for the power source on the computer. Install the motherboard in each designated slot. Next, install the VGA card to ensure the computer display good visual. After that, install the DVD-ROM for reading data stored on CD. Install the hard disk for data storage. Connect several cables for the DVD, hard disk, VGA, power supply, power SV, reset SV, HDD LED, power LED, and speaker to the motherboard. If all the processing unit device on the computer is installed, the result will look like this on the computer screen. 3. Computer output unit. The computer output unit consists of a monitor, projector, speaker, and printer. Thank you very much. I hope useful. See you. Oke, mantap.